Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this space is all about cozy living, cleaning motivation, slow routines, and decorating our home in the way that feels warm and intentional year round. Today, I am adding in some simple Christmas finishing touches, focusing on small details that really make a space feel cozy. Let's get into it. We decided to shift the bench closer to the front door so the hallway can flow a little better. Before styling, I always like to do a quick wipe down, nothing major, just enough to start a clean base. Once everything was clean, I hung the wreath over the mirror and gave it a good fluff. I love how instantly this made the entryway feel a little bit more festive without feeling overwhelmed. I started styling the entry table by adding a few books for height and layering in my favorite Norfolk Garland across the top. I didn't use any of the command hooks here. It actually laid really nice on its own. I added an extra piece to drape over the side just to soften up the edges. Next, I brought in some of my favorite personal pieces, my mini tortoise vase, which you guys know I love, a brass bowl filled with pine cones, and a family photo in mixed metals. Now, I know mixed metals isn't for everyone, okay, but I love how it adds warmth and character to this space. Adding family photos into my Christmas decor is something I think I'll do every year now. It makes everything feel so much more meaningful and kind of chic. I added this glass centerpiece that I created for the table and tucked a few crystals in to reflect the details on the tree in the hallway. Then I layered in a vintage bell with a red bow, one of my favorite antique finds. much, I kept things cozy with my favorite throw and pillows that I used during the fall. Over by the door, I styled the pedestal with some cedar branches and fall stems. I love mixing different branches. It gives it everything that layered and collected look. And let's not forget this wreath. Moving into the dining room, I styled the sideboard slowly, adding books for height, an antique bowl with ornaments, as my daughter likes to say, baubles. Layered in greenery, I tied a burgundy bow on the lamp and added pillar candles in different heights for balance. This is one of those spaces that I really take my time with. I like to step back, edit, and let the pieces tell me when they're done. Exactly the same way I was telling you all when it comes down to my home. I let my home tell me exactly what it needs before I start cleaning. Dining room chairs, I added a wreath using pearl pins, which were absolutely adorable, and ribbon. I wanted something festive but still simple. Turning the extra ribbon into a bow in the inside of the chair ended up being one of my favorite details. kitchen, I focused on the cozy moment. I added an arrangement, my bow candle holders, and white tapers to balance out the red throughout the house. I love mixing different reds. It feels traditional, chic, and very Christmas to me. Something this actually reminds me of how my grandmother, my mother, and my Aunt Helen used to decorate, especially with the crystal candy bowls.
When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas, a winter wonderland.
I'm really loving how everything came together. If you enjoy cozy living, simple routines, and decorating a home slowly through the seasons, make sure you're subscribed and share this with a friend. Thank you so much for being here, and until next time, I love you all so much. Bye.
We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share.